Now we go to example 5 of the chapter 8.2. For this question, it shows that in the figure, CDE is a straight line and CA is equal to CD and DA is equal to DB, and we know that AB is parallel to the CE, and if angle BDE is equal to 54 degrees, what we need to find is the X and Y. These are the two angles we need to find. For this question is a little bit complicated. Why? Because they are composed by two different triangles. So for doing this type of question, the very important point is that whether we can separate the figure into some simple figures. So actually, as it is given that CA is equal to CD and DA is equal to DB, so actually that's two isosceles triangle. Which are they? First one, okay, we see that DA is equal to DB, so this blue triangle is an isosceles triangle. So by the properties of an isosceles triangle, we know that the base angles are equal. So if angle DAB is equal to X, then angle DBA must be also equal to X. And also we know that AD is parallel to DE. So you can see that this X must be equal to this angle BDE, that is 54 degrees. So now we write this step down. Angle DBA is equal to X. Why? That is the base angles of isosceles triangle. And then we can mark these properties in the figure too. That is X. Second, that X is equal to 54 degrees. Why? That is the alternate angles of the parallel lines, that is AB parallel to DE. That is the first part. And if we go to the second part, then we need to find the Y. We can see that the Y actually is in a triangle ACD, which is also an isosceles triangle, so that the base angle of that should be also equal. But we can see that there's no any label of the base angle, but we need to mark it. That is angle CAD is equal to angle CDA. That is also the base angles of isosceles triangle. And actually we need to also mark this one on the figure. This angle is equal to this one. And we may also give a symbol for that. Maybe we give it is A, so it is equal to A. And if after we give this symbol, we may also know that by the angle sum of triangles, that A plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. That's angle sum of triangle. And we can also see the A is also related to two other angles. This is this one in the yellow and the 54 degrees. So we can also write that A plus the yellow angle, that's angle ADB, and at the 54 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees. That is the angles on a straight line. So now we need to find the angle ADB. So how we can find the angle ADB? That is in the triangle ABD. The angle ADB at X and at another X will be equal to 180 degrees. That is the angle sum of triangle. Okay, and actually from the upper part, we found that X is equal to 54 degrees. So angle ADB plus 2 times 54 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees. So that we know that angle ADB will be equal to 70 72 degrees. So we substitute back this 72 degrees into this equation. So we know that A plus 72 degrees plus 54 degrees would be equal to 180. So we can find that A is equal to 54 degrees. So lastly, by using the green triangle, that is the triangle ACD, we know that y plus 2a plus a is equal 180 degrees. That is the angle sum of triangle. And we put the 54 degree back to the a. Then finally, you will find that y is equal to 72 degrees. That's it.